Hi everybody, this is Stephanie. I'm here to show you two of my carts that I bought for this house, for this kitchen, because this space just wasn't big enough for all my little gadgets and other little things I have. So I needed a kitchen cart. So I wanted to show you this particular one, and I'm going to show the other one. So this one has drawers, and I already have them filled with stuff that I really need, all stuff in here that I gotta get my hands on when necessary. Then it has two at the bottom. I can open it up like that, and it has a shelf here. That is my big Dutch oven, pressure cook, not instant pot Dutch oven. It's big and it fits in here, okay? And also I have the same thing on the other side. The other side has this, and some more of my gadgets are down there and up here. So I really needed this space in this tiny little kitchen. Now I'm going to show you the other. All right, guys, here's the other one. Here is my my other cart. This cart is a little bit, as a matter of fact, it's definitely taller than the other one. Wish I could put them together, but it's hard to do. But it's taller than the other one. And this is this is my little coffee center right here. And it has one big drawer, nice size drawer really. And I have a bunch of stuff in here, you know, for coffee and tea and other things like that. And then of course at the bottom I also have more room to put more stuff in. It could fit a whole lot of things in it. And right now I have just my coffees and my teas and some other plastic stuff that I need. So it's a nice kitchen cart, and it actually comes with another side like this, but I didn't want it. I needed it off of here because it wouldn't fit in this corner with it. So I'm only using one side, but very nice. I really enjoy this one. I also enjoy that one. So it's either this or that. I enjoy both of them.